Welcome to Armchair Antarctica, our project for GovHack 2013. I'm Helen Ensikat, and the other half of my team is Grahame Bowland, and we are Team Atlas. We've built a site called Armchair Antarctica to help give people a spatial experience of Antarctica they might not have had before. When you go to Google Maps or many other projections and look at Antarctica, it is a smush down the bottom, and we would like people to be able to go down there, have a click around, look at things, see what's going on like it's more of a real place. Quickly go through the technical stuff first. We are hosting on a Linux VM. We have used Python, jQuery, OpenLayers, Bootstrap, and Map Proxy. And our data has been sourced from the Australian Antarctic Division, the National Library of Australia, the National Archives of Australia, the United States Geological Survey, Wikimedia, and the Integrated Marine Observing System. Down to our project. We have a polar projection of Antarctica, and we have put a whole lot of latitude, longitude points on it. We have put on the current stations, we have put on webcams, we've put on some geological features and animal colonies, we've put on abandoned camps, and then we've gone through and associated all of those points with various different multimedia things and bits and pieces that we can find. So this ranges from going to a penguin point on the map and being able to see photographs of penguins and audio of penguins from the Australian Antarctic Division, to going to points that were at an expedition camp and seeing some of the newspaper reports sourced from Trove at the NLA about the happenings there during the expeditions. We can also go and see live seal tracking data, which was from the Marine Observing System, where they're tagged and you can actually see them moving around and migrating around the continent. We've also associated any live Twitter accounts from stations with the relevant points, and also live Twitter accounts such as the Adelie tweeting Adelie Penguin and the tweeting Pine Island Glacier. And we also have a wealth of wonderful current and historic photos and maps from the National Archives and the National Library, including the maps for each of the Australian stations. So you can go and click on the station, and as well as seeing the live webcam that's associated with it, you can go and have a look and see where the science building is down at Mawson Station and so forth, which will really help when you get there, I'm sure. And finally, we've added a few live features to keep it a bit interesting when you first go to the site. So any Twitter accounts that we've picked up that are associated with a point are also scrolling in the top of the site. All the webcams that we've added to various points, be they Australian stations or otherwise, roll through at the bottom left-hand corner so you can see what's happening with that. And you can also tweet any of the points that you found interesting so your friends can hear the seals as well. This has been a fantastic experience at GovHack, and we hope you enjoy Armchair Antarctica.